guys, good afternoon. So we're working on this Audi Q5. I don't know if you guys seen it. We did brakes on it and rotors. Let me show you guys the rotors and brakes.
I don't know, it's weird. What is it on?
These are new rotors and brakes.
Yo, the third bolt, you took it out from here?
No, bro, this one doesn't have a brake sensor. Only you do.
Why did they give us proof then?
I don't know.
What's up guys, so we're doing oil change on the car. We did brakes and on the Q5 we did brakes and the rotors. This is what it's looking like. We just got the filter from AutoZone. It's like a Q5 filter. All the gasket goes on there. Now we got the filter going on. On the money. What's up guys, so we got the S4 in the lift. We were working on the S4. We took out this part. This part was here. We took it out. And then they're gonna put a new one, I guess, of the part. And then we got a Beamer. We're doing the wiring on it, 540i. As he's doing the wiring.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So guys, good afternoon. So today we're working on this Volkswagen GTI. We're taking GTI. We're taking out the head. We're putting in a new head. I'm gonna do a time lapse with the putting the head back in.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sick rims, so I'm gonna show you guys the rims. When they lower the car, I'm gonna show you guys though. So guys, this is how the GTI is looking. Hey, we got Mayed in the car.
Newer XD, you heard? We got Volkswagen Mark, what is this, a Mark 7? Mark 6? Mark 7 20T. You wanna go for a ride?
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Hey, come on. Yo, Murad, I'm gonna take you for a ride.
So guys, we're getting a ride in the GTI. It sounds sick. I want you guys to hear the turbo.
You ready?
Yeah, if you guys remember Mr. Quattro's car, got new rims, and they're gonna push it back in the shop, I guess. Or they're gonna drive it back to the shop. Those are the rims, bronze, they're nice. Pretty nice. So guys, I went on a ride in the GTI. It's fast. And when you hear the turbo noises are sick too. But I'll update you guys if we do anything. So guys, after taking off all the hex parts and the parts on the GTI, this is what it's looking like. And then we got over here, the lift is holding the bottom of the head. Before there was like gas that leaked from the top. It was from the lines though. This is all of it that leaked. What's up guys, so this is the end of the video. If you saw what happened to the, what was it called, the GTI, we went for a ride. It was pretty fast. You couldn't feel it on camera, like, but if you guys were in the car, it's fast and it makes nice noises. And then the GTI that we're working on with the head, Nassim still got like a little bit to go, but he's gonna finish it on Monday. So we're gonna finish the head on Monday, and then yeah, and then that was it. The S4, it's still getting worked on. Mr. Quattro was planning to go to Waterfest, but we'll see. Next year we'll go to all the events. Not Waterfest, but I don't know, whatever is next for, like, the next events for car shows. But I think winter is gonna be different car shows, because the summer is usually, I don't know, the summer is usually Beamer Fest, or I know it's like little car shows, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe, and peace out, guys.